What's that right there? In the middle. No, the funnel guys. Which I did see the funnels.
Yes.
I got
It's still trying a little bit.
So you're messing up. I think it's gonna happen right there. Actually, look.
Yeah.
Yours is starting to get bold. It's gonna be right there. See, it's gonna happen. See that right there in the middle? No. Top 10 storm now. Come on, baby, you got it. He's trying so hard to get back. This is so beautiful. What a year it's been. Oh my god. Can't tell me back up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Everyone has to mess with me right now. Question, boss. Hey.
Let's try to do something.
Oh yeah. Oh wow. It's about to do it. It's about to do it. Yeah. No, this time, Carney, it's actually about to do it. There's a funnel. Oh wow, that's gonna be a good tornado. Tyler, this is it. It's gonna do it. Quick! I'm gonna get a shirt done as soon as it's gonna do it.
Should I go live again?
Yeah, say it's gonna do it.
It's gonna do her.
You know what it's gonna do? It's gonna come right to us. So if it does do it, we're gonna have to do it out of here.